Hi, this is Mike Davis with the Davis Resnick Group here at Champion Real Estate in Annapolis, Maryland. And today I'm talking with Jan Berlage. And Jan, something of particular interest to homeowners is how does a homeowner protect themselves and their home if they're falling behind or they're in fear of falling behind on their mortgage?
Oh, sure. Probably the first thing you want to do is you want to speak with your lender. Sometimes they can give you a period of time where they can allow you to miss a payment.
Mm-hmm.
If that's not going to work, you're looking at a more desperate situation. You really want to get a picture of all your finances so you're not dealing with things piecemeal.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes the easiest way to do it is just to do workouts,
Mm-hmm.
especially if you're talking about mortgages. There are
Mm-hmm.
lots of programs to help homeowners with modifying their mortgages,
Mm-hmm.
that is, working out the payment terms so that it can become affordable.
Right.
Obviously, on the opposite extreme, then you have bankruptcy.
Mm-hmm.
But if you can avoid bankruptcy, it's preferable. If you can't, it really is one of the things that makes this country great because it gives you a fresh start and allows you to get back in the system and go back and make money.
Right. Well, one of the key things I got from our conversation is that you really have to evaluate or look at everything, not just your mortgage, but you need to look at your what other debts and income and things you have to determine what's a proper course of action, correct?
Yeah, you really do. It's hard to, at least from being an attorney,
Mm-hmm.
it's hard to advise in a vacuum. The reason for
Mm-hmm.
that is if you're taking money from one creditor to pay the mortgage company, well, now you owe the other creditor money.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And you're usually not dealing with one or two
Right.
creditors, but a multitude of creditors.
Right.
So sometimes, just by the sheer number of creditors, the easiest way to handle it is to go into bankruptcy.
Mm-hmm.
Other times, you can see where you may be able to work things out and avoid bankruptcy.
Mm-hmm.
But it's very hard to advise somebody not knowing everything that's going on because
Right.
you could tell them to do one thing, but if they have something else going on, it may cause tax problems. It may cause problems with other creditors.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, you really need that full picture.
Okay, fantastic. Mike Davis with Davis Resnick Group again with Champion Real Estate. Been talking with Jan Berlage about protection for homeowners. And if you would, Jan, why don't you give them your number so if they have any questions, they can give you a call directly.
Sure. My telephone number is 410-752-1261.
Great. Thanks a lot, Jan.
Yep. Thank you,
All right.
Mike.
Okay, thank you.